Hello everybody, today I'll tell you how to make cuttings for a 10 gram, right? First you have to take any rough cover of your notebook, old year notebook is okay, or you can use a cardboard, right? First step, make this cardboard a square. How you are going to make it square? Just fold it from this corner like this. See how I have done? Whatever this extra rectangular part, we need to cut this, right? So first cut this out. Now we are left with a square cardboard, right? Now what to do? Just fold it half, make triangles. 2 triangles are there, cut it off. Now you can see 2 pieces are there. From the first piece, just take this corner and take it on, coincide it with the other corner like this. I am coinciding this corner to this corner. So I'll make 2 triangles here. Can you see? 2 triangles. I will cut it off. So from the first half, I have made 2 triangles. Keep them separately. Now from the second half, I've got a big triangle. What I'm supposed to do, I will take this edge, this corner, and I will fold it like this. Just see to it, to the other side. Can you see this? Like this. What I've done, I've taken this corner and I've just took it to the other side. And I will cut this triangle off, this one. Right, so I've cutted this. See, this piece, another triangle. Now we are left with a kind of trapezium. Now what we are supposed to do, we are going to half it. Half how? I will take this corner, this one, this corner to the other corner and fold it off like this, right? I will make a line. Can you see this? Like this. I will cut this into 2 halves. I'm here with 2 pieces. Now what to do? From the first piece, I will take this triangular part to the other side like this. Can you see? This was the piece. I've just folded it too, so that these edges meet. These sides meet. Whatever line I will get, I will just cut it off. So I've got one square and a triangle. Now the last piece. What we have to do from this? Now see just carefully. We have to make a parallelogram and a triangle out of it. How? See this one? I'm taking this folded part to the other side like this. This was it. I am folded it like this corner to the opposite corners. I will make a line and I'll cut it off. See? So I got a triangle and a parallelogram. Now I've got parallelogram, 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle, 4 and 5 triangles and 1 square. So in 10 gram we have 5 triangles and 1 square along with 1 parallelogram. Now you can color these shape by covering it with colored paper, or you can use your colors like sketches and crayons. You can paste a sheet over it and then make your own 10 gram puzzle. Now you can use these to make any interesting figure. You can use this like that also. See, you can make any kind of figure out of it. You rejoin them. Whatever you like, you can make like this, right? Now try it and have fun.